I did start this clean with me video a while back, but I had to stop because I did get COVID. And just to let you guys know, the symptoms weren't as bad as I thought they were gonna be, but I just got like what I consider the most mild version of it. And it was very interesting. I just was out of breath a lot, headaches, and now like you probably can tell, or you probably can't tell, but I'm breaking out. But I don't know if that's actually from COVID or not, but other than that, I'm fine. I recovered very well. Breathing's good, everything's good, no temperature, so I'm just ready to get back into doing what I do. And I'm also going to do you're probably going to see a little bit of me working on the computer because I am booking vendors for markets that are coming up. I have a market in March and April, and then we get into our fall season starting back up in August. So it's pretty busy. On top of that, I'm trying to get the livable forest up and running. And if you don't know what that is basically my community membership program. I have businesses that signed up that are actually willing to give special discounts to my members in the community area. We have around 100 members so far. It's $50 one-time fee to get a card, and you can use it for a lifetime. It's a great program. But so let's get started on everything and get this office cleaned up. Maybe I could do a decorate with me when I get everything that I want in this office. But till then, it's going to look pretty bare when I'm done. But we got to get started. We have to get this stuff in order because I can't think. See, I have scarves, these skinny tumblers, and if I can just get over here, they come in all colors. I have every color you can imagine. I got so much stuff, wallets, AirPod holders, all types of AirPod holders. So basically all I'm doing right now is straightening it up because it's not that I really want to throw everything away. I just need it a little bit more organized to where I can find things And if I do decide to start back up on a boutique, which most likely I'm not, at least I can have it organized in a way that is manageable. Then down here, if you can see, it's just a bunch of stuff and it needs to go. And it's mainly from Christmas because I was trying to do this huge, you know, sale for Christmas and things like that, and really it just got way too overwhelming, and it's really not something I was passionate about the way I thought I was. And yeah, I'm gonna do a video talking about businesses that should be started that doesn't require your participation 100% of the time. So we're gonna talk about stuff like that later, but in the meantime, I'm gonna try to clear all this out because the closet goes a little bit deeper and this is gonna take a long time. So this video will be on a time lapse during most of this. So let's get back to it. Well, I dropped my hot chocolate. These are my loaf boxes. I am a baker on the side when I have time, and I usually package them in this. I will link all that, my coffee, my baking, and all of that in the description of this video. Right after I get things settled. I just, you know, it's a lot of stuff out in here, and I have multiple businesses, and I will get into them as soon as probably the next video or next week. We could talk about my different streams and talk about the ups and downs of them and which ones that I plan on keeping around and which ones I kind of like don't really care about anymore. But yeah, I'm halfway done. It might not look like it, but I'm halfway done. This office really is not that big. Found the Livable Forest cards. You guys, you probably can't see it. It's probably blurry, but yeah. This membership is the truth. You guys will absolutely love to be a part of it, especially if you're in the Houston area. taking you guys over here because ooh, I don't even know what to do with this area. I don't even have enough books to put in this area. So I was just putting a bunch of random things here. But it may not look like I made any progress, but I have. Believe me, I have. Let's go check it out over here. See? It's cleared. Now, I just got to clear off that area over there. And that right there is actually a bar stand where you can put glasses and wine. I was going to use it as like a TV stand, but I don't really know what I'm going to use with it at all. Trash, and then the last little bit of clutter on the floor. Not exactly. It's probably all just going to end up going back in the closet, of course, in a more uniform manner. And then over here, I got to get my desk cleaned up. Oh, did you guys know it's been snowing in Houston? I'm pretty sure if you live in Houston, you know. But everybody else, if you don't know, we have snow and it's freezing outside. So let's get back to the organizing. So fun fact about this painting, well, picture, we were in Austin and I found it at a thrift store called Goodwill, and it was only $10. And when I was walking through the entire store, people were saying, "Ooh, you got a good buy." So I'm thinking like, "Ooh, I got something rare." And then I look it up online and there's hundreds of them, but I don't know, maybe they didn't know. But yeah, I love it because my name is Tiffany. She plays Tiffany on Tiffany Breakfast with Tiffany's. So that's one reason why I got it. But and it's a great picture. It's cute. It's gonna go on this wall. And that's my owl picture over there because that's my spirit animal. And it's a really pretty picture, and this camera is not doing it justice. This is a Scentsy warmer. It's my absolute favorite Scentsy warmer, and it's crazy because I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I think I might put it back over here on the wine bar, or it might sit on my desk. I'm not sure. We'll see at the end of the video where I end up putting it. And this was supposed to be a shelf that I hung up, but unfortunately it got broken. And now I don't know where to put it, so it's just gonna go into the closet. Okay, I'm going to put that TV on this bar for right now. You probably can't see me. I'm gonna put this TV on the bar for right now just to get out the floor because I'm gonna want to vacuum. On top of that, I spilled hot chocolate as you saw earlier, and then I'm gonna work on the desk, which shouldn't take no time at all. I'm done. I'm going to show you guys around real quick. Mini tour, not official tour, mini tour. And we're going to be, that's going to be the end of the vlog right after that. So, okay, I got everything cleared off my desk. I did some form of an organization over here. I'll hang my picture up. That's from Christmas. I don't have enough room to store it anywhere. Closet doesn't look like much, but everything is officially at least stacked. Over here, like I said earlier, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but this is the blankets I've made. My picture, and like, this is it, actually. Very small space. Anyways, you guys have a good one. This is the end of this